I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We're here at the NFC World Congress in the south of France, in the French Riviera, and I am having the pleasure of speaking with Mr. Genghis Morekonda. How are you? From Sonim, how are you?
I'm doing good, Tony. I'm pleased to have an interview with you.
Fantastic. Listen, for our first-time viewers, why don't you give us a brief overview of Sonim and what you got in your hand and why you're here at the NFC conference?
Okay, first let me introduce myself. I'm Genghis Morekonda. I'm the Product Strategy and Marketing Manager at Sonim Technologies. So, a little background about the Sonim. We make and design world toughest and rugged phone for the people who work in extreme environments. Today we are launching an NFC phone we call XP1301 Near Field Communication phone. So that's what the phone is here.
So I have had the pleasure of smashing and trashing your equipment, your phones for a number of years. You guys do build a fantastic, indestructible phone or thereabouts for the extreme environments. But putting NFC technology into it, it's a pretty brilliant idea.
Yep. So we see there are a lot of market potential for the NFC, particularly in the security guard and patrolling. And in our home healthcare and in cleaning services. So that is really makes us to kind of build our NFC phone to really take care of these workers who are really doing work in extreme environments. Meaning the workers, cleaning workers, they will be dropping the phone on the floor or dropping it into the water or into the toilets for that matter. So the phone has to live to the extent so that it should not be breakable and it should be water-submersible as well.
So, Genji, you're going to show us a little bit of a demonstration on, some NFC technology in the Sonim phone.
Yep. So the phone supports the Java platform. So the JSR 257 is supported for the NFC application integration. So any application partner can write an NFC application to interface with the NFC module. So here I'm going to give a little bit demo on one of the application. We are working with PNT Consulting and another application partner called Avista Time and Wrestling. So all you have to do is assume that the tags are placed at the checkpoints or at the wall of the restroom or any strategic location. So the application will be running in the background or the foreground. So all you have to do is get the phone near to the tag and tap it. You got the tag record. So then all you have to do is you have to select. Then the information what you read will be sent over to the backend server. So once it gets over there, all you have to say OK. That's it. So your time and attendance will be recorded there, and the proof of presence is available right at the same time online to the backend server. That's all.
Were there some challenges in adding in the NFC technology to this type of form factor or unit?
Yeah, of course. So what we did is we intelligently built the NFC module onto the battery cover of the phone without compromising the ruggedness. So it has that NFC module which is on the battery cover, so that it has a better antenna performance and the reliability of the NFC tag, and it can read and write the tag as well.
So what are some of the applications, inevitably, that are going to be first to market for the NFC Sonim unit?
The market is the cleaning segment, where the worker has to, for the time and management application, and then for the security guards, for guard tour verification, when they kind of go around to the for the patrolling, where they have the NFC tags placed at various checkpoints. They have to read the tag, and then they have to register that the proof of presence, and then indoor location. Meaning whenever they read the tag and the location information can be known to the back end, to the control room, so that if there is any incident, it will help them to mobilize the workforce near to the location in the indoor condition, because in the indoor, GPS won't work at all. So you need to rely on some good technology where the NFC can help.
It really sounds like putting the NFC modules into this particular unit is going to open up some further applications and communication lines for the industries that would be the handset would be germane to, which safety obviously is going to be at the forefront of it. What are we going to see from Sonim in the future regarding more on the NFC side?
We are continuously going to build NFC technology on all our product lines. Ultimately, want to take care of the safety of the workforce, which they are in the field, whether they are outdoor or indoor. So, for the indoor application, NFC really becomes more important and crucial. And second, it will improve the productivity of the workers because the real-time data can be transferred from the work site to the central control room, so that it will improve the business intelligence, and the service companies, they can provide better services to their customers.
Fantastic. Again, just thank you for taking the opportunity to speak with us here today at the NFC World Congress Forum. I appreciate it. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future. And I always appreciate the speaking to somebody from Sonim.
Thank you, Tony.
I've been speaking with Ganges Morekonda from Sonim Technologies. I am Tony Sklar here at the NFC World Congress, south of France, for bnetTV.